You have been requesting it for quite some time, and in today's video we are going to do the mobile app, Disneyland mobile app. We're going to show you everything that there is to do in the mobile app, and right now we're going to mobile order first off because I know that's the #1 thing you guys always request. Then we're going to go get a snack, so I want to show you how that works. We are on the home screen. You can see the home icon is highlighted there. There's a couple of different ways you can mobile order. The easiest is just to push the plus button, but I'm going to show you the other ways first. So if you click this button, this little map icon, so if you want to switch it, you got to click up here to dining, and we go with dining. And then you find where you want to go, and we are looking at going for the gray stuff over here in Fantasyland. And so we can order food and then click a time. And then from here we have the mobile order menu. Now I love the mobile order menu because it has pictures. This looks so much better than the regular menu. You can just be scrolling mobile order menus while you're waiting in line for a ride. You can look at all the different prices, all the different pictures of what they have. It really helps you get a good idea on what you want to eat. They do have plant-based items listed here. And then I think they even have like the gluten-free items down towards the bottom. If you just keep scrolling, allergy friendly, so like there's a gluten friendly menu, and it pulls up those. They have a bunch of different allergy lists here, tons of them. So click one, you know, that's for you. Like if you can't have shellfish, it's going to show you everything that doesn't involve shellfish. We're going to scroll back up, and we want the gray stuff, and that's going to be their specialty. And this is just the standard gray stuff. I feel like it's hardly ever here because there's always the seasonal one. But I want to grab the traditional gray stuff while it's here. So I clicked just add that to my order. You can add as many things as you want. This is going to show you your your order. You can modify if you need to, add another one, delete it, all that sort of thing here. Review order summary, because this is all we want. And since we have a magic key, it's giving me that discount here. And if you add Apple Pay, you can just straight up pay with Apple Pay, which is what we do, but they do have different payment methods as well. I believe one of them is even gift cards. So if you click down here, yep, there is the Disney gift cards. So if you have Disney gift cards and you want to pay with that on the mobile order, you absolutely can. Okay, now it says, are you ready? So I'm here, prepare my order. This will only appear 5 minutes before your time. So it is 1:45. And we have until 2 o'clock. So that means, oh yeah, I selected now until 2. If it is not yet time for your window, this button will not be here. So we're gonna walk over there right now. We don't wanna push that until we get over there. Otherwise they're gonna make it and it's gonna be sitting on the counter. If we don't show up, then they're gonna charge us, and we're gonna have a problem. So don't push that yet. You can also change arrival window if you decide you wanna change your mind. You can just click in here. And I don't know why my phone is going in and out of focus, but I can change the windows. And I can just keep pushing it out if I want to. It used to be that they would give you 30-minute windows. Now that they're 15-minute windows. Anyway, we're going to walk over there. We're currently in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge because we just got off Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. So we want to walk to Fantasyland right now, and we'll catch up with you when we get there. Okay, so we've made it to Rose Tavern. Here we go. Go ahead and hit I'm here, prepare my order. And it will tell you that orders take between 3 to 11 minutes. So sometimes I click them before I even get here. We're gonna go inside now and wait for that cupcake to become available. Most restaurants have multiple mobile order pickups, and the screen just turned purple or blue or whatever you wanna call it. It says to go to window number 2. So we find window number 2, and I can actually already see it sitting there on the counter there. And here it is, our gray stuff. This is one of my favorite desserts, one of my top desserts at Disneyland. I just love this little cupcake thing here. So we're gonna cut it in half because we wanna show you the inside too. And here is a cross section here. So you can see red velvet cake. They also have a raspberry there on top, surrounded it by the icing around there, and then we have a cookie on the bottom. So like I said, one of my favorite desserts. While we're seated here at Red Rose, and there are some other umbrellas around, not completely filled up, so I feel like we're not taking somebody's seat in the rain here, let's go ahead and talk more about the app. So when you get here, it's going to show you a whole bunch of different, like I set up my day, and to do that I actually had to go over here to my Genie day, and I set that up primarily because we got Genie Plus today, and that's why you're seeing some extra recommendations here. Recommended attraction. If you don't set up your day, that's not going to appear there. It's also a little bit too later on in the day, I think. Virtual queue, there is one virtual queue still at Disneyland. So I've hit join virtual queue. It's for DCA, and it is World of Color. Wow, there's still availability. Oh, there you go. We just joined the virtual queue for World of Color 1. Usually it launches at 12, and I feel like most of the time it disappears. But maybe because it's a rainy day, nobody wants to stay out and watch a show where they have to stand outside in the rain for an hour. So I don't feel bad taking somebody's spot because it is 2 hours after the fact. But that does drop at 12 o'clock. You do have to, everybody in your party has to be in the park in order to join that virtual queue if you want to join it. But again, there's only one virtual queue right now. If there's any other queues like rides that appear on there, that's where you're going to find it. They do have car locator in here. This is a fun feature if you are driving. And oh look, there's a photo of me and Tink that was in the photo pass from a couple of weeks, months ago, whatever. Nothing really like super important with the rest of this stuff here. The main features are going to be right here with the map. So again, I said it's going to default to attractions. You can scroll around here and you can like look at wait times, and I love just checking wait times. Even when I'm at home, I check wait times because I'm curious as to what they are. Why is Roger Rabbit 70 minutes?
No, let's grab a lightning
What
lane
in the
for it.
world? Yeah, I think we probably should. We have Genie Plus today, so we'll show you grabbing a lightning lane in just a minute here. But yeah, you can scroll around and look at that. Now, there's a whole bunch of things that you can do here. We've got characters, so you want to see where characters are. Now, they're not going to show everything because a lot of characters free roam around here in Fantasyland, and you're not going to see any of those free roamers. But what you will see are like the usual spots, like Mickey at Mickey's house and Minnie at Minnie's house. Down here is Asha. Generally, Mirabelle shows up in here. I wonder if they've taken some of them off because it's rainy today. Usually Mirabelle's like right around in there, and she has an icon. So anyway, you can look at characters, you can check that out. Sometimes characters pop up under entertainment too, so maybe that's what this is. Disneyland Band, Horseshoe Piano Player. And I have seen entertainment also show characters sometimes, but so you can click entertainment there and you can see different things. Again, dining is going to be the primary one. Everyone with a mobile order icon has mobile order. The ones with like the 30-minute wait there, that 30-minute wait is for a table service restaurant, and that's their walk-up wait list. So it takes 30 minutes if you do a walk-up. What else is on here? Restrooms. You can see all that sort of stuff. You can explore what they have here. Again, the plus button. This is a way that you can order food. And so I usually like to click in, and then I can choose a wait time or a return window from here, and these usually work. There's more than just order food though. We've got merchandise mobile checkout, which is available in some stores. Link PhotoPass photos. I think that's if they need to scan your PhotoPass icon if you're getting a photo, because that way, you know, the photos they're about to take will link to your tickets. You can buy tickets this way. You can make park reservations this way as well, and you can book lightning lanes. So if we want to book a lightning lane, we just did Falcon, so I'm gonna edit the selection because I don't want Falcon to be in there anymore. What we're gonna do is instead pick Roger Rabbit's. Now I don't have to edit the selections. This is just to pin it to the top of the tip board if I want to like refresh a couple of times. So 3:15 is the next availability, which is an hour away. 3:20 now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it. So I just grabbed a lightning lane. Pretty simple to do. But if you're not coming from the other screen, this is how you would get to the tip board. And there's also My Day if you want to set up your Genie Day and tell them, you know, your favorite places to eat, your favorite things to do. That way it provides recommendations for you. Honestly, don't like the free Genie service. I never use it. You can see your future plans in here too. It'll tell us the park reservations that we have. So the next time that we are coming, actually, yeah, that's us. The tomorrow's not us. That's my friend David. He and I have their linked tickets, so I can see his reservations and he can see mine there. So the next time we're coming, we can see you know, when we're coming, what park we're starting at. That's really mostly just helpful for Magic Key holders. Magic Band Plus. If you want to link your Magic Band Plus, that would be the spot to do it. I'm not going to click in there because it's got a lot of personal information. So I'm not actually going to click into that. But there's mobile orders again. So if you've made a mobile order and you're like, where'd that mobile order go that I made 2 hours ago? This is where you can come find them. We can find our old mobile orders that we did today. We did Galactic Grill and Red Rose. But you can also create a new order. And if you have an existing order, this is where you'll find it. And park hours and info. Oh, chat. This is another thing. If you need to talk to Disney about anything, they have a chat with us. And let's just click into here. But basically, if you want to chat with them, you can chat with them about just about anything. And, oh, here we go. It's going to say, no, technical support. Okay, here we go. Are you currently at the Disneyland Resort? Well, I said no because the last time I did this chat, I wasn't there. But if you are, it'll speed up the response that you get because they understand that you're here. So you can chat with them, all that sort of thing. Virtual queues here, your virtual queues pop up there. And yeah, that's basically the mobile app here in a nutshell. You can also search. Say you're looking for something specific, you don't know where on the map Blue Bayou is, but you know you want Blue Bayou. So we're gonna type in Blue, and there it is. There it is. Blue Bayou Restaurant. Walk-up list is currently unavailable due to high demand. Yeah, that's essentially using the mobile app. If you have any questions about things I didn't answer, just go ahead and drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help you. But hopefully, you guys have been asking for this for quite a while, so hopefully this little tutorial on how to use the app, specifically mobile ordering, you found to be useful.